Hello guys! Before work with Arduino board, you should know. What is Arduino board? Where it was created? Why we need this board? This is the picture of 5 co-founders of Arduino board. In Italy, this Arduino board was created by the Interaction Design Institute in Ivrea Coast. So, why we need to use this board? Because of its small in size and has all the components like a computer at work, and it's very user-friendly. What you will get on this board, it has many digital and analog input-output pins. For fast processing have a ceramic resonator, memory storage depending upon boards, one reset button for further use, and an Arduino IDE for program this board. So we divided all types of boards into 3 category. At the beginner level you can use these boards. And these are the microcontroller chip corresponding the boards. In these boards have some extra features. And the MCU chips respectively. Now most widely used boards in industries are IoT boards. So these are the corresponding MCU chips. Here is the pictures of all configurations of 3 category boards. You can note down it for your use. In this video we will talk about Arduino Uno R3. So here is the configuration of this board. It has a TMega328 MCU chip, 16 MHz ceramic condenser, 1 reset button, an ICSP header, 6 analog input-output pins, 0 to 13 digital input-output pins, out of them 6 pulse width modulation pins, 1 2.0 USB power jack. Now see the tutorial how to download Arduino software and install it. First open your Google Chrome and type Arduino software download. Click on any HTTPS link of Arduino software. Then click on Windows 7 and newer if your system is Windows 7 or new version. Otherwise you can choose Linux or Mac as per your system OS. From the Open tab click on Just Download and select the folder to store it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes as per your network connection. So keep patience. You can program maximum number of Arduino boards by this Arduino IDE. I am first forwarding the video for you. After downloading select Show in folder. Now double-click on it. Then I agree, click Next, then click on Install. Now close it. You can see on the desktop have one Arduino.exe file. Double-click on it. At the beginning default program will open, it is a blink LED program. Now connect the Arduino hardware board through USB cable. Go to Tools, select the Arduino Uno from Boards and choose Ports. Now click on Upload. After uploading the program you can see, built-in LED is blinking in your Arduino board. If you like this video, then, for helping your friends, please share it, and please subscribe my channel for the more tech videos, and I will help you, to tell you about any technology in a systematic way.